This video is going to be a very brief introduction to the combined cycle simulator. There's a link to the actual simulator down in the description of the video if you want to take a look at that. The other thing that's in the description of the video is links to individual introductions to the Rankine cycle and the Brayton cycle. So those go into a lot more detail on the individual cycles. So to really get a demo of all of the features in the combined cycle simulator, you should probably watch the videos for the Rankine and Brayton cycles as well. So just a little bit of an orientation to what we're looking at here. Of course, a combined cycle combines both a Rankine cycle, typically called the bottoming cycle, and a Brayton cycle, typically called the topping cycle, together to achieve a higher overall thermal efficiency. So in this simulator, the light blue boxes deal with the Rankine cycle, and the light red boxes deal with the Brayton cycle. So the bottoming and topping cycle are sort of color-coded here. So we have operating parameters that we can set for both of the cycles. So again, watch the individual videos for the Rankine and Brayton cycle in order to get an overview of all of those inputs. Next, we have state points for both the Rankine and the Brayton cycle. Next, we have operating conditions for the Rankine and the Brayton cycle. The next box here is an input parameter that's relevant to the combined cycle. So it's the effectiveness of the heat recovery steam generator. Next thing we have is a QT diagram for the heat recovery steam generator that shows temperature profiles on both the cold and the hot side of the heat recovery steam generator. Next we have a TS diagram for the Rankine cycle and for the Brayton cycle, and then finally a schematic diagram for the overall combined cycle, showing the Brayton cycle on top and the Rankine cycle on bottom, and the heat recovery steam generator joining the two. So that's just a very, very brief orientation to what's available. In terms of changing inputs, I'm not going to do any of that in this particular video, but you can go and do that on your own using the link in the description, or you can go back and look at the videos for the individual cycles to see the effect of changing a lot of these parameters on the individual cycles. Thank you very much for watching.